What's going on, folks? YWG here, and it is approaching winter time. It's like 30 degrees outside. It's supposed to get down a little lower than that. And why I have you over here checking out this specimen that I purchased from a big box store. This is an orange. I wish I knew what type of orange it was because the label fell off. I found the label and I lost it again. So I'm not sure what type of orange this is, but by the time this video comes out and I edit and everything, if I gotta edit, I'll let you know. But this is the second year I've had this orange tree, and I'm almost certain that this is as large as they get. You see all the flowers and petals falling off? I'm kind of concerned about that. It could be the extreme temperature change from outside to inside. But I do have the next generation right here that's growing. That's the next orange that's coming up. And I noticed growth on these as far as the flowers, because the first year it didn't flower, second year it did. And the oranges started appearing maybe back in April. It's a slight orange smell. You know what? I'm gonna be daring. Hey, might as well have a taste test while we're here. My guess, this is zone 7. It's probably sour. So I'm gonna start with this. It's a certain sweetness to it, but then I had that orange peel taste right behind it. So let's get in here. Little small segments. And here we go. Does have seeds. So you know your boy's gonna experiment and see if I can grow another one of these from this seed. Park it right here. Okay, taste. First bite, extremely sour. Then it mellows out. This is not bad. It's not bad at all. It would take some getting used to it, but it's not, whoa, you saw that? Not bad at all. I don't know what I can do with these. Maybe juice them, should be enough, and then make something out of it. But a lot of these are ready. All the green that's on them are gone. I believe this is a zipper skin. And what I mean by that is the skin is so thin, it'll easily tear if you yank it. This is why it's important. Whenever you have mandarins, oranges, satsumas, anything that has thin skin, if you want it to last a long time, you snip it and you leave that end on there. You just don't rip it off, because once you rip it off, eating time. So let me show what I got so far. And this is not bad for a second year tree. Look at that. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm gonna see you on the next one. I gotta get out of here. Before you go, like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. See you on the next one.